Ever wondered if you should keep your to-do list on paper or on your phone? Is one truly better than the other? Or does it depend on your style and needs? Today we're exploring the pros and cons of both to help you decide what's best for your business productivity. Let's start with the digital world. Our phones have become indispensable in our daily lives. We carry them everywhere, from meetings to coffee shops, and they're always within arm's reach. So, having your to-do list on your phone means you can access it anytime, anywhere. This is a huge advantage for staying organized on the go. To-do list apps like Todoist, Microsoft To Do, and Trello offer powerful features. They let you sort tasks by priority, set reminders, and even sync your lists across multiple devices. This means you can update your to-do list from your laptop and view it on your phone instantly. For business professionals, this level of integration is a game changer. However, there are some downsides to consider. Many to-do apps are feature-rich to the point of being overwhelming. They ask for detailed information like due dates, tags, and locations, which can feel like a chore when you're trying to add a simple task. Plus, when your phone is off or buried in notifications, your list can easily be forgotten. On the other hand, paper to-do lists have a charm and simplicity that technology can't quite match. Writing tasks down on paper can make them feel more concrete and less abstract. There's something satisfying about crossing off a completed task with a pen. It's a physical act that reinforces the achievement, which can be incredibly motivating. Paper lists are also straightforward. You don't need to learn how to use a new app or get distracted by other features on your phone. You just write down what you need to do and get to work. There's no need to worry about syncing or battery life. Your list is always there, visible and ready for you to tackle your next task. However, paper lists have their limitations. They can't be easily reordered or searched, and they don't come with built-in reminders. If you're a busy professional who needs to keep track of multiple projects, you might find yourself rewriting your list frequently or carrying around a bulky planner. And if you forget your list at home, you're out of luck. So, which should you choose? The answer depends on your personal and professional needs. If you're constantly on the move and need a versatile tool that integrates with your digital life, a to-do app might be the best choice. It's perfect for managing complex projects, setting reminders, and ensuring you have your tasks with you wherever you go. On the other hand, if you value simplicity and the tactile satisfaction of writing things down, a paper list might be right for you. It's ideal for those who prefer to keep things straightforward and who find that writing helps them focus and remember their tasks better. One approach could be a hybrid system. Use your phone for high-level planning and project management while keeping a paper list for daily tasks and priorities. This way, you get the best of both worlds, the flexibility and integration of digital tools, and the simplicity and satisfaction of paper. Remember, the key is to choose a system that you'll actually use. A fancy app with all the bells and whistles won't help you if you find it too cumbersome. Similarly, a paper list is only useful if you keep it updated and refer to it regularly. Think about your workflow, your habits, and what motivates you to get things done. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or a fan of the old-school approach, the best to-do list is the one that keeps you productive and helps you achieve your goals. What's your preferred method for managing your tasks? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe TechZnap for more business insights and digital tips. Thanks for watching and stay productive.